Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. In this video you will learn in detail that how to add and edit the text in AutoCAD. So with the help of example you will learn these two things, how to add and then edit the existing text in AutoCAD. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. So let's start that how to add a text in AutoCAD and then how to edit that text. So in order to add text in AutoCAD, so you can see in the home tab in the toolbars in the home menu, this is the tool for the text. When you click on the drop down button, there are two options, multi-line and single line text. So I have made a separate video on the multiple line text and single line text. You can watch, which is available in this channel. So now we want to, when you click on the multi-line, and then now you can see in the command line specify the path terminal. So this is the path terminal. Now in the command line you can see it required to specify the user column. So this is the second column. Now by default it is now active to write your text. So now I have to write the add alt AutoCAD software. So here I have write this text. Now I will select and will specify the size through the here. Now it is 0.2 inches. I want to give it as 1.2 feet the size, and then enter. Now you can see, and then we'll click outside the text window. So now you can see this is what I have write just in the here in AutoCAD. You can change the size from the here, and you can also change the colors by from here by layers. Now I want to make it yellow. So now you can see the text has been now in the color of yellow. And the another portion of this lecture is, now we have added the text and now we have to edit. So you can add the text easily by clicking on this text tool, and then you can write your desired text. Now we have to do the task now, how to edit the text. So now this is the text that we have added just now in the AutoCAD, and now we want to add something or to remove something from this. So how we can edit with this? So we will double click. Once you double click on this text, so this, now you can see the edit window has been activated, and now you can edit this text. Now I want to edit, so I want to add something with this text. So AutoCAD software, let's very important role in drafting. So now I have added this text, and I have added something new, as you can see. And you can also change the positions to the from here to the on like this, like on this starting from the right side or it into the center. So through this you can edit your text. So till now we have discussed that how to add text into the AutoCAD in AutoCAD and how to edit the text in the AutoCAD. So now if you have any questions about this, so you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.